Hindi is somewhat similar to French, but it's slightly unique in this case, where it uses, it will be called Yeh Rahi Kitab. Okay, Raha, it's basically Rehna. We have used it as a verb which means to live, but here it's used in a special way. It's not to live. You're using the perfective form of the verb here, right? So typically when I ask you Rehna, it's like मैं यहाँ रहता हूँ, I live here. और मैं पेरिस में रहता हूँ, I live in Paris. और मैं सैन फ्रांसिस्को में रहता हूँ, I live in San Francisco, right? That's how you say it. और मैं ट्रिनिडाड और टोबैगो में रहती हूँ. It's like I live here. But when you read here, यह रही किताब, okay? Or typically when you use the continuous tense, past continuous or present continuous, मैं जा रहा था और मैं जा रही थी, right? I was going, both sense, और मैं जा रहा हूँ और मैं जा रही हूँ, I am going. Okay, you hear Raha and Rahi there as well, but this is not the same one. When you say yeh rahi kitab, it's a special form of the verb that is being used along with the demonstrative pronoun yeh. So you have the noun already, kitab, but along with that you have a demonstrative pronoun along with the special verb. And we'll break it down further, but you see it's the compare and contrast and how languages are using deixis to show something or to reveal something to the listener.